गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मैं रामपाल प्रजापत फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट इन श्री दिगंबर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी दौसा। डियर स्टूडेंट, आज के इस लेक्चर में हम स्टडी करेंगे सर्किट एनालिसिस एंड टॉपिक इज साइनसोइडल स्टडी एनालिसिस ऑफ आरएल सर्किट। व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय sinusoidal steady analysis of the circuit? In this chapter, we will study about RL, RC and RLC circuit which are excited with AC source, and what is the behavior of the circuit with AC excitation in the circuit will be studying in this lecture. So first we take an introduction. Means this chapter deals with the sinusoidal steady state analysis of network involving R, L and C in different configuration. This chapter also leads to the concept of complex impedance and power factor. Now we first take some symbols. There are some common symbols used throughout the chapter are as follow. First is R. R is pure resistance element and its unit is ohm. Second is L. L is pure inductance element and its unit is Henry. C is pure capacitance element and its unit is Farad or microfarad. Z is the impedance, unit is ohm. XL is the inductive reactance that can be also written as 2 pi FL. Its unit is ohm. It means an inductive reactance depends on the value of frequency in the system. Similarly, Xc is the capacitive reactance that can be written as 1 upon 2 pi Fc. Means capacitive reactance is inversely proportional to the supply frequency, or it depends on the supply frequency. If the supply frequency increase, capacitive reactance decrease. If supply frequency decrease, capacitive reactance increase. Similarly, an inductive reactance is directly proportional to the frequency. It also depends on the system frequency. Means if the frequency increase, inductance increase or inductive reactance increase. If frequency decrease, inductive reactance decrease. Where F is supply frequency, hertz, omega is angular frequency, its unit is radian per second, and theta is angle between voltage and current. Now we study RL series circuit excited with AC current source. Let the applied current in RL circuit is I as shown in circuit, where V is the voltage across R and L element. So RL series circuit being energized by a current source is shown in figure. Let VR and VL be the voltage drop at steady state across R and L elements respectively. It means VR is the voltage drop across resistance and VL is the voltage drop across inductance, such that the net voltage drop V across the circuit is the vectorial summation of VR and VL. Means if a VR is IR, that is RIM sin omega t, and VL is LdI upon dt, that is omega L Im cos omega t. It can also be written as VL is omega L Im sin omega t plus 90 degree. It means cos omega t can also be written as sin omega t plus 90. Next, so net voltage of the circuit V is VR plus VL, that is RIM sin omega t plus omega L Im sin omega t plus 90 degree. That can also be written as RIM sin omega t plus omega Lim sin omega t cos 90 plus omega Lim cos omega t sin 90 degree. We know that sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is a formula in mathematics जहाँ A is omega t and B is 90 degree. Now Vm sin omega t plus theta is equal to Rim sin omega t plus omega Lim sin omega t dot cos 90 degree plus omega Lim cos omega t plus cos omega t dot sin 90 degree, और Vm sin omega t dot cos theta plus Vm cos omega t dot sin theta is equal to Rim sin omega t plus omega Lim sin omega t cos 90 degree plus omega Lim cos omega t dot sin 90 degree. Now in the circuit, sin omega t plus theta is opened as sin omega t cos theta plus cos omega t sin theta, because sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is a formula in mathematics. Now equating coefficient of like term from the equation 4.4, we see that Vm sin omega t cos theta is equal to Rim sin omega t, where cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So omega Lim sin omega t dot cos 90 degree is equal to 0, and Vm cos omega t sin theta is equal to omega Lim cos omega t dot sin 90 degree, which can also be written as omega Lim cos omega t, because sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Then we finally obtain Vm cos omega t, Vm cos theta is equal to Rim, and Vm sin theta is equal to omega Lim. Equation 4.5. Now Vm is root of under root of Rim square plus cosine omega Lim square. That can be written as Vm is equal to Im root R square plus omega L square, that is Im dot Z, where theta is equal to tan inverse omega L upon R. Theta is the angle between voltage and current. The function V and I have been shown in the given figure. Current I lags the voltage by an angle theta. So the impedance of the circuit is complex and is given by Z is equal to R plus J omega L, or magnitude of impedance is under root R square plus omega L square, and angle is tan inverse omega L upon R. In the given waveform, current lags the voltage by angle theta. This is the property of RL circuit. Now current Im is equal to Vm upon Z. So Vm upon Z is equal to R plus J omega by angle tan inverse omega L upon R. So angle can be written as minus tan inverse omega L upon R in the equation with numerator. So Im is Vm upon R plus J omega L by angle minus tan inverse omega L upon R, and RMS value is equal to I is V upon R plus J omega L by angle minus tan inverse omega L upon R. So the complex impedance triangle is shown in figure, where R represents the real axis and J represents the imaginary axis. So J omega L lie on the imaginary axis and R lie in the real axis. So the total impedance Z is the complex of R plus J omega L, which consists of angle theta with real axis as shown in figure. Now assuming the voltage phasor to the reference V is equal to V by angle 0 degree. So in equation 4.9 and 10 we clearly show the current lagging the voltage by angle theta, given by theta is equal to minus tan inverse omega L upon R. The presence of negative sign indicates the angle of lag. It means minus sign represents the lagging, means current lags the voltage. Note, the instantaneous current with voltage as reference phasor is then given as I is equal to Vm upon Z, where Z is under R square plus omega L square, and sin omega t minus tan inverse omega L upon R. Now we take an example. In a series RL circuit, R is equal to 10 ohm and L is equal to 20 millihenry. The circuit current being 10 sin 314t. Find the total voltage of V across the elements R and L. Also obtain the phasor angle between I and V. So first of all, we know that theta is equal to tan inverse omega L upon R. L is given, R is given. So first of all, we have to find the value of omega. In the given circuit, omega is equal to 314, that is equal to 2 pi f. So f is equal to 50 hertz. So theta is equal to tan inverse 340 into 20 into 10 to power minus 3 divided by 10. So the angle between voltage and current is 32.13 degree. Now the voltage V is equal to Im under root R square plus omega L square sin omega t plus theta. In the given circuit, the value of Im is 10 ampere. So V is 10 under root 10 square plus 314 into 20 into 10 to power minus 3 square sin 314t plus theta. The equation of instantaneous voltage across R and L is 118.08 sin 314t plus 32.13 degree. Question number 2. In this question, a 50 Hz sinusoidal voltage V is equal to 311 sin omega t is applied to a RL series circuit. If the magnitude of resistance is 5 ohm and that of inductance is 0.02 Henry, so calculate the RMS and effective value of steady state current and relative phase angle. Second, obtain the expression for the instantaneous current. Third is, compute the effective magnitude and phase of voltage drop appearing across each circuit element. So the solution is, let V represents the RMS value and be taken as reference. So V is Vm by root 2. The value of Vm is 311 divided by root 2, that is 220 volt. So the RMS value of voltage is 220 volt. In the given circuit, R is 5 ohm and L is 0.02. So we take reference voltage V. So the V can be written as 220 by angle 0 degree. But Z is equal to R plus J omega L, where R is 5 ohm and J omega L is 2 pi into 50 into 0.02. So its value is 6.28. So total Z is equal to root of 5 square plus 6.28 square by angle tan inverse 6.28 divided by 5. So Z is equal to 8.03 ohm by angle 51.47 degree. So current I is equal to V upon Z, जहाँ V is 220 volt and Z is 8.03 by angle 51.47 degree. So the value of current I is equal to 27.39 ampere by angle minus 51.47 degree. Next is, thus the effective value of circuit current is 27.39 ampere, while the angle of lag of the current from the voltage is 51.47 degree. Part B. The instantaneous current is then given as I is equal to Im sin omega t plus theta. Im is IRMS into root 2, that is 27.39 into root 2 sin omega t. Theta is equal to minus 51.47 degree. So the value of I is 38.73 sin omega t minus 51.47 degree ampere. Part 3. In part 3, voltage drop across resistance is given by VR is equal to IR, that is 27.39 into 5 by angle minus 51.47. So VR is 136.95 by angle minus 51.47 degree volt. Second, voltage drop across the inductance is VL, that is JIXL, can be written as 27.39 into XL is 2 pi into 50 into 0.02. So the value of VL is 172 by angle 90 degree minus 51.7 degree, 47 degree. So the complete value of VL is 172 by angle 38.43 degree volt. This is the value of voltage across inductance. So dear students, in this lecture we have studied the analysis of RL circuit, in which a RL series circuit is excited with AC source. In the circuit we have taken a current source of I. The current is Im sin omega t. So due to current there is voltage drop in resistance R, that is VR, and voltage drop in inductance is VL, that is L di upon dt, and theta, angle between voltage and current, is given by tan inverse omega L upon R. In this chapter we have also seen the waveform of I and V for series RL circuit, in which current lags the voltage by angle theta. Similarly, a phasor for impedance R, XL and Z have also seen. In this lecture, calculation of power can be done on the basis of voltage and current and by angle theta, since P is equal to VI cos phi. Thank you for today's class, dear students. For next class